Hello everyone, in this short video I will explain you direct cost. Direct cost is the cost that can be identified or traced in a unit of production or a service. It is a cost that can be directly tied to the production of specific goods or services. These costs can be clearly identified with each unit of production and can be allocated to the production's cost center. For example, direct cost of purchasing a commercial building includes consultancy cost, lawyer's fee, telephone bills, photocopying cost, mortgage fee, bank charges, and so on. Direct cost for a chicken burger is the cost of chicken. The direct cost for a garage in servicing a car is the labor cost of mechanic. In school, the direct cost is the salary of teachers. For English department, the direct cost of the salary of English teacher, and same goes with every single department in the school. A direct cost can be traced to a cost object, and the object can be service, product, or even a department. Direct costs and indirect costs are two major types of expenses or costs that businesses can have to deal with. Question: are the direct costs variable costs? Direct costs are often variable costs. Direct costs fluctuate with the production level, such as inventory. Both costs are similar in nature and both costs involved in production. As we now know that the direct costs are expenses or costs that can be directly traced into the specific unit produced, while variable cost varies with the level of production or number of units being produced. This was One Learning Minute. See you tomorrow.